We're here at the launch party for Diablo 4. This is amazing. And the altar, it's right there. It's nuts.
So this is the launch event for Diablo 4, and fans were waiting in line just to go inside and check out the party. It was a red carpet, and inside it was held at the Vibiana, a huge venue with a huge hall, and you can try different activities. Head towards the barbarian, and the barbarian can try to train you. You can help raise the dead with a necromancer. You can also get your nails done. If you join the druids, you can channel your inner animal. And you can also be chosen as a champion by each class. And you can even go inside a confessional.
The forces of light and righteousness pitted against the forces of darkness and corruption.
And the champions of the different classes get to join a ritual. But one of the highlights of the party was seeing Lilith hover above the crowd.
Are coming to devour our world. Salvation lies not in the light, but in you. Tell me your name. You already know my name. Zed.
The Diablo 4 launch party was a blast, a lot of fun hanging out with friends and listening to Zed. Can't wait to play Diablo 4 when it comes out.